Okay, everyone, listen. So let's start now. So, new project, new project, okay, for application, for application. Today I am going to start with for loop. Okay, so please listen carefully. So I'll take all the programs of the for loop today. So here is the code. These guys have developed the emoji code. Okay, so what you did here, character ch is equal to 1, then integer I is here, then for loop is there, I equal to 0, I is less than 5 and I plus plus. Okay, so printf percent 10 c comma ch. Okay, so I equal to 0, 0 less than 5 percent 10 c comma ch. So let me just compile the code and run this code. Okay, so this symbol is coming here. Now percent 10c and ch, the value of ch is 1. So this 1 if you like listen understand this, if I put a 65 here, compile the code and run this code, you will get a. Understood? So the meaning is that the value of the 1 is that smiley. Understood? If you check the b here, 2 here, sorry, so then 2 here, look at this is the smiley, another smiley. Okay, if you take a 3 here, so this is the ASCII value, this one is a, see this is a heart here. Okay, clear? Now don't use that. Okay, listen, use other symbols also. So here is the compile. Okay, and then go to this one, see this star symbol, not here. Okay, so you can check like this, 5 and run this one is there, right? I hope you understood. Actually ते आपल्याकडे नाही का पत्त्यांचं कॅट असते त्याच्यावरचे सिम्बॉल आहे सगळे है ना. You're getting the point, right? Clear? So cards are there na, so all these symbols are coming, right? Okay, so yeah, so this is what the ASCII value, that's a simple thing, है ना? So this is what your ASCII value. So the ASCII value of that smiley is 1 and you are printing that smiley how many times? 5 times. Everybody clear? ASCII value of that smiley is 1. Okay, and you are printing that ASCII 5 times. Understood? Gaurav, Chinmay. Okay, while loop. Simple, eh? You can just do one thing. In a while loop, I starts from 1. Okay, so while loop, I is less than or equal to 5. That's it. And here is I plus plus. I is 1, 1 less than 5, and print this. Compile the code and run this code. Look at this. ठीक है ना? Okay. So if you try with a nested loop now, take one more while loop. J is equal to 1. J is less than or equal to I. J is less than or equal to I. Okay, J plus plus. J plus plus. We need here a J. 1 is less than 1. ठीक है, आता हे लॉजिक सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे. But what I am doing, I'll explain once again. Ch plus plus. Check the output now. Run this. What happened? J plus plus is there. Okay, 1 less than J is 1. 1 equal to 1. Print 1 ch. J becomes 2. 2 is not less than this. Ch become a 2. This become a 2. 2 less than 5, j is 1. Okay, so why, okay, we are not getting the proper output. Compile the code. One less than 5, j is 1, 1 is equal to 1. This is the ch symbol. Suppose the 5, j becomes here 2, 2 less than 1, no, this become, acha, okay, let me try. Sorry, compile this, run this, no, no, see, this is called as the logical error. This is called as logical error. Now how to find out this? अगर देखो इस टाइप का एरर आ रहा है तो कैसे ढूंढना है इसको? लिसन, so here print test, okay, and test 1, and here test 2. Check the output. Compile the code, run this code. No, something is wrong, means ये कोड एग्जीक्यूट ही नहीं हो रहा है. Understood? We are not able to execute this code. Listen carefully. I will copy the code, then go to new project. Okay, okay, while emoji, ठीक है, save this, while remote.c, paste the code. Now check this code. फाइल, अच्छा, हाँ देखो, तो पहला कोड कंपाइल ही नहीं हो रहा था तुम्हारा. ओके, तो पहले वाला कोड कंपाइल ही नहीं हो रहा था, राइट? हियर इज दिस थिंग, करेक्ट है, अभी हो जाएगा, डोंट वरी. So sometime what happened, due to some reason your code is not able to compile. You should know that how to solve that error. It is not about this. ch is here. Compile the code. Okay, but new line is missing here. /n. Compile the code and run this code. Here you go. Smiley, this one, this one, this one. That's it. Understood, everybody? Please reply. Okay, see what happened now. Listen carefully. I will explain the code. 1 second. I will explain this code. 1 second. क्या किया हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे, देखो, तो सबसे पहले here one is less than or equal to 5. ठीक है, 1 is less than or equal to 5. So j is 1. 1 is equal to 1. तो यहाँ पे आएगा %ch मतलब 1. तो 1 का जो भी इमोजी होगा, दैट इमोजी यू विल गेट हियर. सपोज ये वाला इमोजी आ गया. इमेजिन दिस इमोजी. j becomes 2. Now go to this block. 2 is less than 1. No. तो यहाँ से हम लोग बाहर आ जाएंगे. यहाँ से हम लोग कहाँ पे आएंगे? From here you can come to this place. So ch becomes 2 and I becomes 2. So again you can From here, you can go to the I wala loop, right? So I is 2, 2 less than 5. J is again 1, 1 less than 2. यहाँ पे चेक करेंगे हम लोग 1 is less than 2, 1 less than 2. ठीक है, 1 is less than 2. तो यहाँ पे प्रिंट होगा CH. CH this time कितना है 2 है, तो 2 का इमोजी समथिंग इज समथिंग सम डिफरेंट इमोजी इज देयर. मे बी इस टाइप का इमोजी था ना 2 के लिए. फॉर द 2 देयर इज अ डिफरेंट इमोजी. ये देखो इस टाइप का कुछ इमोजी था. क्लियर? J becomes 2, so 2 equal to 2a. So you will get one more emoji of the same type. You will get another emoji of the same type. Clear? Because this time you are painting CH and CH value is a 2. CH value is 2. Now J becomes 2. J becomes a 2. So 2 is less than, sorry, J becomes 3. 3 less than 2, no. Come out of the loop. CH becomes 3. I becomes 3. 3 less than 5, yes. 3 less than 5, yes. I become 1. Once again. 1 is less than 3, yes. 1 is less than 3, ठीक है. 1 is less than 3. तो ये लूप 3 बार अभी होगा एंड CH का जो भी वैल्यू होगा 3 के लिए, सो दैट टाइप ऑफ दी सपोज एग्जांपल करो लो कि इस टाइप का कुछ इमोजी होगा. एग्जांपल ना, ये टाइप का सिंबल होगा, नॉट इमोजी. मे बी देयर इज अ दिस सिंबल. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड एवरीबॉडी? एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड? प्लीज रिप्लाई. ठीक है, एवरीबॉडी क्लियर? ठीक है. हाँ, so I hope you can able to implement this type of code, right? So you can implement different type of emojis and the another type of the like patterns also. So I'll tell you the new pattern today. So I'm going to teach you this pattern today now. So let's continue with this pattern now. ये देखो, तो अभी इस पैटर्न को प्रिंट करना है. एक स्टार, यहाँ पे होगा हमारे पास 2 stars. So then there is a 3 stars. Then we'll print this type of star. Okay, and then we have this star. Clear? हो शिकोतो, don't worry. ठीक है, so लक्ष्य दिया. Suppose if I forgot to explain any program, but you should try that program. You will learn something new in that. Don't worry, I'm going to take all the programs. But तू ट्राय केला का सही कुलकर्णी? सांग, ट्राय केला का प्रोग्राम? अच्छा, तुम्ही कन्फ्यूज करताय गेस. ओके, as I told you, maybe you have like as I told you की ते while loopचे जे प्रोग्राम आहेत ना, 5 प्रोग्राम, तर ते मी उद्या सेपरेटली घेणार आहे. फिबो, पॉवर, फॅक्टर, फिबोनाची and even all while loop program I will take separately from tomorrow. Okay, everybody clear? ज्यांनी आतापर्यंत मिस केले while loopचे प्रोग्राम, so I'll take that program from tomorrow onwards. Clear? Okay, now I will start with the for loop today and with pattern with the for loop. Please remember. So don't be confused. Okay, if you have missed the if else program, so join the batch at 4:30. Okay, so then for the this type of program, while loop program, you can join the batch at 6. Okay, I'll explain that. I will tell you the time. Just wait. I will explain you the time. Don't wait. Okay. Okay. So then and okay, just remember this. If you want to start with if else again, join the batch at 4:30. Remember, not 4:30. You can say 4 p.m. Okay. Fine. So let's continue with the for loop here. Say that for loop 1.c. Okay. So listen. Okay. So I'm going to start the for loop. Listen carefully. Integer I. So for loop is there. I. Okay. How to use the for loop? Let's understand this. Okay. Okay. Let's understand the for loop here. So we have a for loop for initialization. Then we have condition. We have condition and then increment or decrement. then we have increment or decrement. So this is the syntax of the for loop. This is syntax of the for loop. Okay, so means if I write the syntax for while loop, so then variable is equal to initialization, then we have while condition, then statement, increment and decrement, Okay, so if you compare both the syntax, take an example for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5 and I plus plus. Okay, so statement here, printf %d comma I, and this side we have I is equal to 1 while I is less than or equal to 10, or you can say 5 here, printf %d comma I plus plus. Okay, so let's compare this to loop here. Initialization. Here you have initialization. This is called initialization. Second thing, this is the condition here. Here is the condition. We have a condition, right? Then third is the execute the body of the loop. Okay, means execute the body. Same thing, execute this body. And at last, okay, increment or decrement will happen. Here is the increment decrement syntax. Same increment decrement is here, and this is the code. Means both the loops are same. So here initialization will happen. We'll check the condition, come inside the loop, then go to increment or decrement code, and again check the condition. Same, this will execute until the condition is satisfied. As soon as condition become false, stop the loop. So okay, listen, I'll repeat this. So सबसे पहले यहाँ पे इनिशियलाइजेशन होता है, फिर ये कंडीशन चेक करेगा, कंडीशन ट्रू है तो यहाँ पे अंदर आ जाओ, यहाँ से हम लोग आएंगे यहाँ पे इंक्रीमेंट डिक्रीमेंट पे, ये फिर से कंडीशन चेक करेगा, ट्रू है तो फिर से अंदर अगेन चेक द इंक्रीमेंट डिक्रीमेंट, चेक द कंडीशन एंड कंटिन्यू दिस. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, I is 1 less than 5, print this 1 here, I becomes 2, फिर से एक बार कंडीशन ये 2 less than 5, print the 2 here, ये becomes 3 here, 3 less than 5, print the 3 here, becomes 4 here, 4 less than 5 and continue this. So both the loops are same. यहाँ पे भी इनिशियलाइजेशन होगा, यहाँ पे भी होगा, यहाँ पे भी कंडीशन होगा, यहाँ पे भी होगा, यहाँ पे इंक्रीमेंट डिक्रीमेंट होगा, यहाँ पे इंक्रीमेंट डिक्रीमेंट होगा. So both the loops are same. Both the loops are same. Understood? Both the loops are same. ठीक है, सिर्फ डिफरेंस क्या है, while loop and for loop are the entry condition or exit entry condition. These are the entry condition. Do while loop is the exit condition. Okay, do while loop is exit condition. Everybody, this week you have to totally focus on only loop, while loop, for loop and do while loop. Remember this. And I want every program in your notebook, how many times? 2 times. Okay, those who really want to learn the good programming, I want, okay, don't copy paste. You should write that on your own. Every program I want in your notebook 2 times. Okay. Yes, this is very normal question actually. But actually तुम लोग का भी, okay, देखो. So that's why I told you last time कि जिन लोगों को आगे वाले videos देखने, you can just join the next batch and you can go through the videos. मतलब अगर एग्जाम है किसी का, कुछ देखना है क्वेरी वगैरह, so you can check that videos. ये मैंने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया था प्रीवियस बैच में. आई होप रिमेम्बर, राइट? चिन्मयी, गौरव, तुम्हारे बैच में ऑलरेडी हम लोगों ने ये डिस्कस किया था, है ना? बट इस बैच में भी डू व्हाइल लूप नहीं बताया, इसलिए मैंने एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया अभी तक. क्लियर? ठीक है, तो लेट्स कंटिन्यू नाउ. एज आई टोल्ड यू कि ये होता है सिंटैक्स, इनिशियलाइजेशन, कंडीशन और उसके बाद बॉडी. इनिशियलाइजेशन, ठीक है, ये आएगा इनिशियलाइजेशन, फिर आएगा कंडीशन, फिर आएगा ये वाला कोड, सेम थिंग, इनिशियलाइजेशन, कंडीशन और ये वाला कोड। तो चलो फॉर लूप से प्रोग्राम करने हमें सबसे पहले i इज इक्वल टू 1, i लेस देन इक्वल टू 10 एंड i प्लस प्लस printf स्लैश n परसेंट d कॉमा i प्लस प्लस, तो ये आएगा 1 to 10 का आउटपुट। सॉरी, क्या किया मैंने यहाँ, अच्छा 2 बार इंक्रीमेंट हो गया, सॉरी। So compile a code and run this code. 1 to 10. Look at this. 1 to 10 is the answer. So I is 1, 1 less than 10, print 1, I becomes 2, 2 less than 10, print 2, I becomes 3, 3 less than 10, print 3, and continue this. Continue this. Clear, everybody? So this program is for what? Print 1 to 10. This program is for what? Print 1 to 10. ओके, सो इनिशियलाइजेशन एक बार होगा, फिर कंडीशन चेक करो, फिर यहाँ पे 1 प्रिंट होता है, इसके बाद ये 2 हो जाएगा, 2 लेस देन है 10 से, यहाँ पे 2 प्रिंट होगा। ओके, सो 1 सेकेंड, एक जस्ट वेट, राइट डाउन द प्रोग्राम 10 to 1, एवरीबडी राइट डाउन द प्रोग्राम। Okay, so do one thing. I have one assignment for you today. Listen, what you are going to do. जे प्रोग्राम तुम्ही व्हाईल मध्ये केलेत सगळे प्रोग्राम, फर्स्ट ओके फॅक्टर प्रोग्राम ज्यांचे झाले त्यांना सांगतो, फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम प्रिंट 1 to 10, सेकंड प्रिंट 10 to 1, थर्ड प्रिंट टेबल ऑफ अ नंबर, ओके फोर्थ factor, fifth factorial, sixth Fibonacci series, 8 1 to 10, 10 to 1, table of a number, factor, factorial, Fibonacci series, ठीक है। Once again I will share the list of the program जे तुम्ही while मध्ये केले, okay, the program which I have done already in the while loop, complete all that program in the for loop.